everyone. Let me share a turning point in my English learning journey. There I was on a trek, surrounded by native English speakers. I wanted to join the conversation, but my thoughts were jumbled, stuck in translation. It was in that moment of frustration that I realized I needed a breakthrough. I needed to think in English naturally, just like I did in my native language. Today, I'm going to share with you the interactive exercises that transformed my English thinking. By the end of this lecture, you should be able to understand the benefits of interactive exercises for strengthening English thinking. Learn a variety of interactive exercises to practice English thinking. Use these exercises to enhance your language skills. Role-playing different scenarios helps you practice thinking and responding in English. This can include everyday situations like ordering food, job interviews, small talk, or asking for directions. Pair up with a friend and take turns being the customer and the waiter at a restaurant. Practice using polite phrases, making requests, and handling any issues that arise. This exercise builds conversational skills and quick thinking. Start a story and have each participant add a sentence to continue it. This collaborative exercise encourages creative thinking and vocabulary usage. I often use story completion with my language exchange group. We start with a simple sentence like, once upon a time, in a small village, and each person adds to the story. This not only makes for a fun activity, but also helps in practicing sentence structure and storytelling. Play word association games to build vocabulary and quick thinking. One person says a word and the next person says the first word that comes to mind, continuing the chain. Start with a word like travel. The next person might say airplane, followed by pilot, and so on. This game is great for expanding vocabulary and making connections between words. Describe a picture in detail. This exercise helps with vocabulary, descriptive language, and thinking in English. I once used picture descriptions in a class where students described scenes from their favorite movies. It was fascinating to hear the variety of vocabulary and expressions used, and it significantly improved their descriptive abilities. In the storytelling relay, one person starts a story and after a few sentences passes it on to the next person to continue. This exercise builds creativity and helps you think in English. Start a story with a sentence like, it was dark and stormy night, and pass it around your group. Each person adds to the story, creating a collaborative and imaginative narrative. Now here is an assignment for you. Write a story with the group to build quick thinking and conversational skills in a fun and engaging way. For further reading, I recommend The Practice of English Language Teaching by Jeremy. It offers valuable insights and techniques for effective language teaching and learning. Interactive exercises are a powerful way to strengthen your ability to think in English. Start practicing these exercises regularly and watch as your confidence and fluency in English grows.